Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting futuristic motorhomes making waves right now, the 2027 BYD T5 Camper van. This isn't just another camper van, it's a bold step into the future of electric travel, combining smart technology, luxury living space, and impressive performance into one rolling home. From its aggressive exterior design to its smart interior layout, advanced driving systems, and competitive pricing, the BYD T5 is truly changing how we think about mobile living. Let's start with the exterior. The 2027 BYD T5 Camper van features a striking, boxy silhouette with sharp lines that give it a powerful, modern presence on the road. The front end is highlighted by sleek LED matrix headlights and a wide digital grille that carries BYD's clean electric design language. The large panoramic side windows not only enhance visibility but also flood the interior with natural light, making every trip feel open and connected to nature. The rear design continues the futuristic theme with signature LED taillights and an aerodynamic bumper that improves efficiency while adding a sporty touch. One of the standout upgrades for 2027 is the new smart locking system. BYD has introduced a multi-access digital lock that supports fingerprint scanning, facial recognition, NFC cards, and smartphone app control. This means you no longer need traditional keys. You can unlock the van remotely, receive security alerts in real time, and manage interior access straight from your phone. For campers and travelers who are constantly moving in and out of the vehicle, this is a massive convenience upgrade. Step inside, and the first thing you'll notice is how spacious everything feels. Thanks to its extended wheelbase and high roof design, the T5 offers an interior that feels more like a compact apartment than a vehicle. The dashboard is dominated by a large curved touchscreen that controls navigation, climate, entertainment, energy usage, and camping modes. BYD's latest D-Link operating system supports voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and over-the-air updates, ensuring the software stays fresh long after purchase. The seating uses premium eco-friendly materials designed for long-distance comfort. Both the second and third rows fold completely flat, transforming into a full-size bed within seconds. The kitchen area comes standard with an induction cooktop, refrigerator, microwave, sink, and generous storage cabinets. Optional bathroom modules include a shower and portable toilet, making this a true self-contained motorhome. Energy management is another area where the BYD T5 shines. It uses BYD's Blade battery technology, known for its safety, durability, and efficiency. The large battery capacity allows you to run air conditioning, lighting, kitchen appliances, and entertainment systems simultaneously without worrying about power shortages. Optional rooftop solar panels provide additional charging while parked outdoors, and the V2L function lets you power external devices like laptops, cameras, or camping gear directly from the vehicle. Performance-wise, the 2027 BYD T5 Camper van is expected to feature a dual-motor electric drivetrain producing over 400 horsepower. That allows this large camper to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 6 to 7 seconds, which is impressive for a vehicle of this size. Standard all-wheel drive provides excellent traction on slippery roads and light off-road terrain, while the adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts ride height depending on driving conditions. Driving range is estimated at around 500 to 550 kilometers on a full charge, making long road trips far more practical. Fast charging support allows the battery to reach 80% in about 30 minutes, minimizing downtime during travel. Multiple driving modes including Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Off-Road let you tailor the experience whether you're cruising highways or exploring remote camping locations. Safety technology is equally advanced. The T5 comes equipped with Level 2 Plus driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic lane changes, forward collision avoidance, and a 360-degree camera system. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alerts are especially helpful given the vehicle's size, making urban driving and parking much less stressful. Now let's talk pricing. While official global numbers haven't been released yet, industry estimates suggest the base model will start around $70,000, with fully equipped camper versions reaching between $90,000 and $100,000 depending on options. When converted for other markets, this places the BYD T5 well below many luxury electric motorhomes, offering outstanding value considering its technology, range, and built-in living features. Overall, the 2027 BYD T5 Camper van represents a major leap forward for electric motorhomes. It blends sustainability